Today we will discover what chemistry is and what matter is made of. Matter is anything that has mass and takes up space. Your desk, water, air, and even your own body are all made of matter. Matter exists in different states. The three most common states are solid, liquid, and gas. In a solid, particles are packed tightly together and vibrate in place. This is why solids keep a fixed shape. In a liquid, particles are close together but can slide past each other. That's why liquids flow and take the shape of their container. In a gas, particles move fast and spread far apart, filling all the space available to them. Heating or cooling matter can change its state. Adding heat makes particles move faster, and removing heat slows them down. All matter is made of atoms, the tiny building blocks of everything around us. An atom has a nucleus with electrons moving around it. When two or more atoms bond together, they form a molecule. Water, for example, is a molecule made of hydrogen and oxygen atoms. Chemistry also studies changes. A physical change, like melting ice, doesn't create a new substance. A chemical change, like burning wood, does. An element is a pure substance made of only one type of atom, like oxygen or gold. Later, we will explore the periodic table of elements. Chemistry is part of everyday life. Cooking, cleaning, medicine, and even the food we eat all involve chemical processes. Chemists use special tools in the laboratory, like flasks and beakers, to mix and observe substances safely. Congratulations! You now understand what chemistry is, the states of matter, and the basics of atoms and molecules.